Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to convert currencies with lowest fees in interactive brokers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to convert currencies with lowest fee on interactive brokers, use the convert currency tool for manual trades to take advantage of the low commission of approximately $0.002 with a $2 minimum fee, which is lower than the automatic conversions, that is 0.03 rate. So to minimize fees on manual conversion, aim for trades or currencies that surpass the minimum fee or convert a larger amount in a single transaction. So first of all, you need to log in into your client portal or mobile app. Now, once you log in into it, you can find the convert currency option right over there. Select the currency, enter the amount, select preview and submit. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.